Hello everyone, my name is Junior Paulino, aka Waziano Virtual Online. I would like to start this video by defining several terms of linguistics, such as phonetics, phonology, and vocal organs. Well, let's get started. Language, a system of conventional spoken, manual, or writing symbols through which human beings, as a member of social group and participant in his culture, express themselves. Phonetics. It is a branch of linguistics that comprises the general study of the characteristics of speech sounds. It is concerning with three different aspects, such as production, transmission, and perception. Articulatory phonetics describe vowels and consonants are produced or articulated by various parts of the mouth and throat. Acoustic phonetics, the study of how speech sounds are transmitted when sounds travel through the air from the speaker mouth to the listener ears. It does so in the form of vibration in the air. Auditory phonetics, the study of how speech sounds are perceived, look at the way in which the listener's brain decodes the sound wave back into the vowel and consonants originally intended by the speaker. Phonology. It is defined as the study of sound patterns and their meanings. The phonology describes the way sounds function with a given language and operates at the level of sound systems and after sound unit. This importance is shown by the fact that you can change one word into another by simply changing one sound. Phonemes. They are the smallest sound units capable of conveying distinct meaning. Allophones are a kind of phoneme that change in sound based on how a word is spelled. Minimal pairs are words with different meanings that have the same sound except for one. Those contracted sounds can either be consonants or vowels. The words being and being are minimal pairs because they are exactly the same except for the first sound. The vocal organs. Speech is produced by air from the lungs being processed or modified by all speech organs above the lungs. The glottis, pharynx, nose, tongue, and lips. The individual sound is identified by the closure or narrowing of those organs. If we see the tongue as the active articulator, the place which does not move can be called the passive articulator. Laver refers to the place where the closure or narrowing occurs, which means that the name normally refers to the passive articulator. A speech organ and their functions. Lips. They serve for creating different sounds, mainly the labial, bilabial, and labiodental. Bilabial are produced through upper and lower lips, such as a B and B. Labiodental sounds are produced through the upper teeth and lower lip, such as a F, F, F. Teeth. They are responsible for creating sounds, mainly the labiodental and linguadental. Linguadental sounds are produced by placing tongue tips between upper and lower lips, such as tongue. Usually is divided into different parts: teeth, blade, front, back, and root. Tongue plays different parts in production of almost every speech sounds. Alveolar ridge. Alveolar sounds are produced through the front part of the tongue placed on alveolar ridge. Sounds made with tongue touching alveolar ridge, such as a T, Z, 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 and for the sounds as air from the lungs passes constantly through the mouth, but the tongue is raised sufficiently close to the alveolar ridge. Hard palate. Like the alveolar ridge, the tongue touches and taps the palate when articulating speech. Balance. The production of velar sounds is done by placing the back of the tongue against the balloon. Uvula. The uvula is used to make guttural sounds. It helps to make nasal consonants by stopping air from moving through the noise. Glottis. As the vocal folds vibrate, the resulting vibration produces a buzzing quality to the speech. Sound production involving only the glottis, it is called glotta. Larynx. Contain your vocal cords. When moving air, it is breathed in and out. It creates voice sounds. Trachea is the passage leading from your larynx to the lungs. Pharynx, throat. Collect incoming air from your nose and passes is downward to your trachea. The nasal cavity. Noise is the best entrance for outside air into your respiratory system. The diaphragm is a strong wall of muscles that separate your chest cavity from your abdominal cavity. By moving downward, it creates suction to drain in air and expand the lungs. Provide a flow of air to make vocal sound and human speech possible.